Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to add unlike fractions. So for adding unlike fractions, we have to make the denominators same. Adding like fractions are easy because the denominators are same, so that you can add the numerators, then you will get the answer. For example, 5 by 10 plus 6 by 10. Here the denominators are same, so they are called like fractions. It is easy to add these two fractions because 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 by 10. This is an improper fraction, so convert it into mixed fraction, that is 1 by 10 is the final answer. Now, but this is not the case if the given two fractions are unlike. Unlike means the denominators are different. Let's take an example for unlike fraction. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Here you can see that the denominators are different. If the denominators are different, we cannot add these two fractions. So our next step is to convert this into a like fraction. This is an unlike fraction. Convert this into an like fraction. Convert this into a like fraction. For that, we have different methods. One of the simplest method is to find the LCM. So 2 and 4, how we will find the LCM? 2 comma 4. The common multiple is 2. Then 1, 2. Now take the number 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 is the LCM. So we have the common denominator as 4 plus 4. Okay. Now see this 2 times which number you will get 4. 2 times 2 equals to 4. So multiply the numerator also with the same number 2. So the answer is 1 times 2 equals to 2. Okay. Now here the denominator is 4. In the question also the denominator is 4. So you need not have to change the numerator 1. Now see this 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4. They are like fractions. 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4. 1 by 4 is equivalent to 1 by 4. So these two numbers are now equivalent and also same. So you can add directly. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. 3 by 4 is the answer. This is a proper fraction. So this, and it is also in a simplified form. So you need not have to change this. This is the final answer. Okay. Once again, I will explain with another example. Let's take another example. 1 by 5 plus 4 by 15. Okay, now see, they are unlike fractions because the denominators are different. For making them into like fraction, take the LCM of 5 and 15. How you will take 5, 15? The common multiple is 5, 1. How many times 5 in 5? 1. How many times 5 in 15? 3. Now multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So you have to multiply 5 times 1 times 3 is equals to 15. So we got the LCM. So the LCM is equals to 15. The answer which we get here, or the LCM, is the common denominator. So make the denominator 15. Base 15 plus 15. Okay, the second number is in the question itself, it is 15. So you need not have to change the numerator. Numerator you can write 4. But in the first fraction, the denominator is 5, but in the question it is 15. So you have to convert this 5 into 15. To convert this 5 into 15, you should multiply with the 3. If you are multiplying this denominator with a number, you should multiply the numerator also with the same number. So 5 times 3 equals to 15. So 1 times 3 equals to 3. So the numerator is 3. So now we got a like fraction equivalent to this unlike fraction. Here now it is easy to add. 3 plus 4 equals to 7. 7 by 15 is the answer. Again, another example. Let's take a third example. 5 by 16 plus 1 by 8. Okay, now this is an unlike fraction, so we cannot add this fraction. So the next step is to convert this unlike fraction into a like fraction. For that, find out the LCM. 16, 8. Okay, you can either write 8 here, or you can use write the number 2 here. 2, how many times in 16? 8. This is 4. Then how many times 2? This is 4. Then 2. Then again we can take multiple 2. 2 times in 4, 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So the LCM is equals to 16. LCM is 16. So that means the common denominator is 16. Okay. So the common denominator is 16 plus 60. Now we have to find out the numerator. The denominator in the question of the first fraction is also 16. So the numerator is also 5. But see the next fraction, the second fraction is 8. So how do you convert this 8 into 16? 8 times 2 is equals to 16. So multiply the numerator also with 2. 1 times 2. That is 2. So 5 plus 2 equals to 7. 7 by 16. 7 by 16 is the answer. This is also in a proper fraction format, so you need not have to make any change. Now you can see that the question is an unlike fraction. We converted that unlike fraction into a like fraction, then we added it. Now take another example, the fourth example. 4 by 5 plus 3 by 25. So this is an unlike fraction because the denominators are different. We cannot add unlike fraction. So we are going to convert this into a like fraction. For converting that into like fraction, take the LCM. 5, 25. Now 5 is a common multiple. 1, 5. So 5 times 1 times 5 is equals to 25. So we got the LCM as 25. Okay. Now we got the common denominator 25 plus 25. See, the second operand is 20. Denominator of the second operand is 25. So the numerator you can write as it is. Now see the numerator of the first operand. It is 4, the denominator is 5. So 5, it is 25. You have to convert 5 into 25. So 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So multiply the numerator also with the same number. 4 times 5 equal to 20. Okay. Now you can easily add because these two fractions are like fractions. 20 plus 3 equals to 23 by 25. So this is also in a proper format, a proper fraction. So 23 by 25 is our final answer. I hope adding like fractions are clear for you. One more method is there, but this is the simplest method. I will show you the other method in my next video. Thank you.